Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from Asese in Ogun State. So our last set of panels are going in, as you could see. And then you could see up there our panels, and then on this roof over here our panels. So we're running way behind. We're running so far behind, it's not even funny. We're supposed to have delivered already. We're not even close to delivering. So let me show you what's being done, where we are, and then what the next steps will be. So let me see if I'm getting a clear picture. You can hear the generators are still running. And they're hoping that from tomorrow on, these generators will no longer run. So here are panels on this roof. And there are plenty. On that roof, we're going to move some of those. We're going to relocate them. And then there, we don't need to do any relocation. This is fine. So let me go down and then show you what has been done and what's left to do. So Mr. Felix here is the man that did the trenching. He actually works for, we met him here. He's their contractor and he's the one that did the trenching. Tell us the name of your business.
Yes, Interlock is my business.
What's the name of your business?
The name of my company is Noxmela International Limited.
Okay, well,
Noxmela.
Noxmela.
Yes.
Okay, Noxmela. So if you need someone to do interlocking for you, Mr. Felix, what's your phone number?
The phone number is 080
080
68
68
95
95
63
63
52.
52.
Yes, sir.
So it's the one that removed all that.
Yes.
And allowed us to do our trench, allowed us to put our pipes inside. So here is one of the battery enclosures. I'll take you inside and show you what we've done so far. This came from StandOut. StandOut provided us with the enclosures and they also provided us with the battery. So Joseph and Owen Young, thank you very, very much. You guys are making this job possible. You also provided us with the inverter, which I'll show you in a second. The panels, the Jinkos, came from my friend Charles Mezu of Pallet Inc. They supply us, we buy panels all the time from them. We also get the rails, and they've done a good job so far of supplying us with panels whenever we need them. So I'll put links to them or phone numbers for them in the description below. If you need to get panels or if you need to get inverters, you can reach out to them. The Himmel enclosures we got from First Option Support Services. They've been very good partners to us. We buy a lot of stuff. We buy breakers, surge protection, all that stuff we get from them. So they've been very, very good for us. The welding cable we got from our supplier Frank. Frank, we've been doing business with for a very, very long time. And if you need Frank's services, just post in the comment section and I'll give you his number. This roll of PV cable we got from Hope and her son David. They supply us with tons of cable. We spend millions of naira a month with them and they deliver. So they're very, very good people. If you need stuff, just let me know and I'll put you in touch with them. So the ladies are pulling our PV cables into a conduit pipe, and then the conduit pipe will go into the wall. They don't want to see anything on the wall. So they're going to get someone to slice the wall and then we'll insert that into the wall.
Okay.
Our earthing, instead of doing our earthing, you could see the collar and the earth rod in there. So that's slow progress. Say hello, Monero.
Hello.
Look,
You too.
look happy. And say hello, Cleo. Cleo was the one sitting on the roof on one of my posts. So Cleo, say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so the ladies are taking care of this today. So it's a lot we're going to do. As you can see, we've closed up where we trenched here. And that building up there, that one where you see someone pounding, I have a surprise coming. So when I get that surprise, I'll do a video to show you what the surprise is. So now we go inside to see the level of activity and what's left to go. So we're back inside the power room. And what we're doing is we're pulling our AC cables from the inverters. So we're going to have AC cables going from 9 inverters and it's going to go into, can I go through? They're all going to come out to an AC enclosure with bus bars, and then from here is going to go through a trench in the ground, and then we're going to have an AC panel. We're going to have an AC panel and a DC panel here, and then right in the center here we're going to have a DC bus bar that allows us to bring all our battery cables from the inverters into one central location, and then we'll pull it from here, pull it from there. Let me see if you can see my finger. Use my finger. Pull it from there, come down this way into a panel, and then from the panel it goes into our batteries. So you can see here is one, there is two, and the third one will be here. The beautiful thing about this room is air conditioned, so this room will always be comfortable. Will always be comfortable irrespective of how much heat our inverters generate. So we could see our batteries. It is a lot of battery capacity. It's over 120 kilowatt hours of battery capacity. Let me go back. There we go. So let me see if I can get a clearer view of the room. So we have 3 more inverters to go. We're doing all our AC cabling. We're going to try and do our PV cabling and our battery cabling all today. So let me see. So that's our partner, just StandOut, who supplied us with inverters. Thank you to them. They also supplied us with these batteries. So that's it for now. Hopefully tomorrow when I do the next video, it will be where everything is lit up. We'll do firmware updates, and then we'll start programming the inverters to provide power to the place. So we'll be taking one last thing. We'll be taking from our panel there, the panel where the electrical panel is, into this central panel that they have here. So we'll be going underground or through the wall, underground into their central panel. So that's the plan right now, and we'll get it done. I just can't wait for the final results. I'm pretty psyched. So once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Asese in Ogun State. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're here to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Once again, Dr. Sola signing out.